person doing this lawnmower, and first of all they said it was running. I was mowing the grass with it and it stopped. So I've already checked the oil in it, and already undone the spark plug. When I took out the spark plug, this is what I found. This is what I found with the spark plug. Don't know how well you can see that on camera. Hopefully you can see that pretty good. And what's happened is I've overfilled it with oil. Now I've already pulled the dipstick out. This is the mark on the dipstick. This is where the oil level is. Hopefully you can see that. This is where the oil level is supposed to be, down here. So on the dipstick here, this is where full is, that 2 dots. Full's there, the second dot on the dipstick. Watch what happens when I put the dipstick in the lawnmower, in the oil. I've got the dipstick, put it in, pull the dipstick out, look where the oil is. They've overfilled the lawnmower quite a bit. So what we need to do is I've got a new spark plug here. I've already got the new spark plug, which is here, and I've just gapped it with feel gauges. What we've got to do is we've got to get the oil out of it first. So what I'll do is I'll just tip the mower over, and we'll just capture the oil. Now we'll take that much out of it. It's about 200 mils of oil. Took 200 mils out of it. And we'll see now what the dipstick's saying. I've got my rag here. So we're still well and truly over, even the dipstick. I've took 200 mils out, so I'm going to take a bit more out yet. I'll just show you that on there. I don't know if you can see that properly. I'll just pull it back out. I'll sit the little dipstick down here. If you can see that on the dipstick, we're still over a fair bit. So what we need to do is lean it back over, use our cup, and we just want to drain that with some more oil down it. Right, and we'll leave that to sit just like that for a minute. Alright, we've drained more oil out of it. Just put the dipstick in, pull it back out. Now we're down to the level where it should be. On there. That's where it's supposed to be, right there. So what we'll do is we'll put the dipstick back in. This is going to be a surprise, yeah, but I'll show you what I've took out of it. This is the oil, they've overfilled it. So we've got 400 mils of oil. They've overfilled it. That's how much they've overfilled it. 400 mils. I think they I don't know why they put so much oil in it, but they have. And let's put our new spark plug in. Put our new plug in here. You can see the oil in the motor, like as you can see how much it burnt on this spark plug here. Absolutely caked in oil. There must have been smoking heaps when I was using it. See, I didn't have it on the right end. You know what I mean? When you're trying to put them in, I was trying to like cross the thread in it. screw this in. Maybe ratchet. It's plenty tight enough. Put the spark plug lead back on it. And what we're going to do is we need to bring it round. I'm going to have a look in the air cleaner. As we can see, it's got shitloads of blow by. That's all oil. That's how the oil's getting in there. Shit's everywhere. What we'll try and do. Yeah, it's been puking oil out. So put that on there. Alright, we'll try and get it on the ground, see if we can get it going. Alright, we're on the ground. Got the oil out and put a new plug in it. As you can see, that air filter is full of oil and it's affecting the way it runs. So what I'll do is I'll wash it out in some petrol, just some regular gasoline or some degreaser. I'll wash it out with degreaser and I'll dry it out in the sun and I'll put it back in the lawnmower and this will be good to go again. So yeah, that's what was wrong with it. So we've got here 400 mils of oil, and we've got the spark plug and the spark plug. So that's all that was wrong with it. I overfilled it. It was burning the oil, soaked the air filter too, and that's why it stopped. I don't know why they filled it up with so much oil, but yeah, it kind of makes no sense. Yeah, that will be the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, share, comment, and have a great day. And number one thing is, never overfill your lawnmower with oil. Always check the oil. This is a 4-stroke lawnmower. It's a Makita 550 EX.